We'll guide you through how to access Blender updates so you can always have the latest features and improvements. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Blender website at blender.org. Once you're there, look for the Download tab located at the top of the page in the navigation bar. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the Download section where you can find the latest version of Blender. You can choose the version for your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. Click on the appropriate link to start downloading the installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions to update Blender on your computer. It's a good idea to back up your work before installing a new update, just in case. After installation, launch Blender to ensure everything is working smoothly. You can also check for updates directly within Blender by opening the application and going to the Edit menu. From there, click on Preferences and then on System. You'll see an option for Check for Updates. Click this to manually check if you're running the latest version. This is a handy way to make sure your Blender is always up to date without having to visit the website every time. Keeping Blender updated ensures you have access to all the latest tools and performance enhancements, which can make a big difference in your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.